Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to find Peacock TV promo codes. So here there's a promo code called this. So just pause the video and just type it in if you don't have one. So I found this and read it for you guys, of course, and it says it doesn't work anymore. So to those who are looking for a new one, there's this right here. Just pause the video and just copy it into your desktop, and then this one also works, which is going to be the same as this, and it's a more updated version, and it works right now. So it just works last month, so I don't know if it still works today, but I'm pretty sure it still works. So this is the discount code right here, and I would rely on Reddit when it comes to the Peacock um, discount codes, because you can't find anything in the internet these days, but you can rely on trusty old Reddit for your discount codes. So if you want more, guys, just comment down below on what discount codes you should do, or I should do next, I mean, and let's see. And I will be able to update you guys as soon as possible on what promo codes that you want, and we'll list it down right here.